Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I'm making my trading plan, and if you want to do it earlier, then you will know how I do it. Some things here, like key horizontal support resistance, a lot of people can see it differently, but otherwise most of the levels are very technical and should be same for everyone. So let's go for it. So today this is gonna be a weekend trading plan. I'm always checking if something changed or not. I need to compare. So key horizontal support resistance is still same because we didn't breach this level. Why they are key? Because we have a lot of support there. A lot of support from technical reasons. So we can have market structure supports there, like one here. $32,500. You can see the price was bouncing here 1, 2 times, 3 times. Support here, again playing around. So this zone is now support because it was support multiple times, resistance as well. So it's key support. And then of course 30,400, which is again in the trading plan, must be support because we stopped here. And I will be expecting support again here because we have daily there and a lot of some volume. So it's very, very logical places where you want to place it, yeah? So this is not changing. This is not changing because market doesn't move much. I think for those you should really wait for me because I'm really good at these levels, but most of other levels you can get yourself without no problems. So we need to map daily open, weekly, monthly open. Let's go to ExoCharts. We'll allow template again, just to be sure all levels are correct. And daily open is below us probably. Yes, 33,775. 33,775. Weekly open is over here. It's not weekly open is changing once a week, so you don't have to update it often. Then we have the monthly open. This is not updating. This is updating once a month, and then so we need to mark it 35,027. 35,027. Okay, so we have those levels from ExoCharts. Now we need to go to previous day VAR and previous day VAL. This is also in ExoCharts. 32,924, 32,24. Value area high is 33567. 33567. Okay. This is the monthly VWAP. Let's check monthly VWAP in here. Monthly at here 33,573. 33,573. Okay, and we can already map because it's over here. So here's the previous day equilibrium 33,291. 291. And very close to the level is previous day point of control 33,300. This is the previous day, so here 33,300. Very good. Now we are moving to this section. So actual point of control is, let's have a look, will be up there, 34,500. It's same as the weekly point of control. It's marked here. So let's go 34,500. 34,500. Same for weekly. Monthly point of control. Let's have a look. Monthly point of control is at 33,500. 33,500. Then we need to go to previous point of control. So previous day we mapped, then we need weekly and monthly. They should be same because, so previous week 32,500, that's correct. So this one is not changing for all week, and then monthly is not changing for all month, so it's not changing often for you. And 36,000. Very good. Now we need to go to range point of controls. When Bitcoin is not trending, you need to be aware of strong range point of controls. Let's have a look how we find them. Okay. Now, so we can switch to 1 hour chart. So this is the range of the past 5 weeks. We need a point of control for these past 5 weeks. And it's currently at 35,763. It's not changing much, so I will not change it. It is marked as a key level because it is very key level. We know when we are above and we claim it, we can go to the top of the range. When we are below point of control, we are playing in the between point of control and value area low. Okay, so you can see very key level, so always will be marked like that. This is the range poke from previous range, so I will, it's from range over here, so when we were trending here. And then we have range poke from like this is 39,980. It's again from higher range, I think from this area. Okay, we can add one more range poke, because right now we can see this is the big range of 5 weeks, but we also have for this we have template for this. You can do it as well in ExoChart, so I will show you in ExoCharts. So I would say this range, like for the past 2 weeks, you can see clearly this is the range for the past 2 weeks, yeah, because you have one high here and you are playing around for 2 weeks. So I'm sure we need point of control for this range as well. So let's go from this point to this point. Very good. So it's more immediate range. You can see we are clearly holding this point of control, so I will be marking it into the chart. 32,880. I will mark as 2 weeks. Okay, so 32,880, and we can mark it as a pretty important level as well. Key. Okay, so always when you are in the range, you can have a smaller range, and you need to find it. It's up to your skill. This is sometimes we are actually approaching high volume out over here, so that's why we are stopping here. We might even roll over a bit. We will see. So range pokes are done. Then we go to previous day point of controls. They are sometimes really good if they are naked, especially. Those you can find only with the ExoCharts. So this is the New York London, then you need to go Asia close. This is the current day, and then we need to go over here. So here we are. First is New York, 33,472. 33,472. London, 32,917. 32,917. 33,232. 33,232. They are pretty nice. Just mark them on your chart. Sometimes there is no reaction, sometimes there is big reaction, and the best reaction, as I say, is always when you have naked point of control like this blue line. this is gonna give you scalp with 80% chance, I can say. Yeah, so naked one is best, like this. If it's naked, I always write it down for myself, or for you it's naked, but no longer naked. So for daily and weekly levels, I made a video, separate video, so I'm not going to discuss it here, no need. Okay, they are also not changing often, because when they play out, we can delete them, but some of them are so strong we are not even deleting them. So make sure to watch another video about it, how we can find them. And now we go to Fibonacci levels over here. This global one is not changing very often, because it takes few weeks or months to reach such a levels. Okay, so this is not changing often, but of course you have to start plotting 1 hour time frame. So let's go to do 1 hour time frame. Okay, remove everything. So I am on 1 hour time frame, so I will have a look what is important for me. We can clearly see on 1 hour time frame that this is our strong top, this is our strong bottom, so we will find first resistance Fibonacci's. Okay, let's go like this, so it's gonna be exact. So 1 hour time frame Fibonacci, we already touching it, so it might give a trade and pull back down 0.5, so I'm not marking it because it's touched. So 1 hour resistance is nothing. So for example, this is nothing, and here is 0.61, this is still valid. Starting at 35,000, 0.8, this is what I will mark over here, 35,089. Okay, so this is most immediate Fibs. Now we will find support Fibs on 1 hour. Support Fibs is easy. This is the major low, major high, so we'll pull it. Needs to be precise. Okay, here we are. 0.5 already played out, so nothing. And we front round the golden zone, but we didn't touch it, so I will mark it because it was not touched. 32,596. 32,596. Not touched. Actually, we can do it by the way, or we can do it like this, because we have second low. We can do it like this. This is gonna be 1 hour, this is gonna be 50 minutes, because it gives us more action. So 0.5. So this is amazing. 0.5 already gave us trade, so we need to be support this. That's okay, and now we have to plot. I think it's not changed, so let's do it. $31,736, and this is gonna be here. $31,736. Amazing support there. And then we have these 50 minutes. So this is better for 50 minutes, which I was doing before. Yeah, so minute pull, and it's still valid over here. Okay, so this is done. And 50 minutes sellers Fibs. $35,000, 0.5. this is marked, so it's okay. So on 50 minutes we have nothing. Everything's played out this way. 0.5 done. You're on it. Those trades are just, we are just bouncing on it. So this is done. And now, just want to check because this seems as well. Yes, because it's on 1 hour there. I can also check, sometimes I check bigger time frames. Yes, it's already giving the trades. Done, so this is done. Then we need to move to swing failure patterns. I usually open 1 hour chart to map them and see what's changing. So we need to change first to the downside. So to the downside 32,596. That's probably 5. Let's have a look. This is new one. It was probably over here. First I need to mark all of them, then I will compare if we already played out some of it to the downside. So 32,634. Okay, so we need to replace this one, 32,634, and then the rest of it is not changing. You can see it's not changing, everything is correct. Just need to do 28,726. This one is updated. 28,726. Very good. And now to the upside potential. Let's go. This one was taken out. Okay, 32,599. $35,299. We have all of them marked. Nothing changing because we were not there, so this is okay. Yes, this is all correct. So this line is correct because the price was not there yet, so we can delete all of them. No updates there. Swing failure patterns were done. Now we need to go to session, naked point of controls, and now we will be looking just for session ones. For this we need this template. I think there is nothing under us, but there is something above us, and I think it's not touched yet, so it's still same. Here it is, same. Not touched. 35. This was not all of them. They are still valid. We can also look if we are searching for them. You need to go to this template session point of control. And it's showing. It will show you much more on 50 minutes. There is one new one at session. 3 of them, they are all marked, so this is all marked for you. What was the high today? 34.80, this is okay. What is this one? This one is 34,777. This is update, and then so only this one needed update, and then is one. This is correct, so there is no change over here. Then we need to go to daily point of controls. If we have some new ones, we need template for daily overview, and indeed we have the new one, and the new one is 33,100. 100 below us, and above us is probably nothing is changed above us. 36,200 over here, nothing changed. 31, yeah, this is not changed. I will mark 675. Sometimes when you want to see the exact point of it, you need to change tick to 1. It's a much lower, okay, but we'll keep tick a bit higher. Mm-hmm. Six, 7, 5. That's exactly, we can mark it as key. This is quite a strong one, so it should give you a good reaction. Daily point of controls, they are mapped, they are not changing often, so if you're mapping, you can have a look one day, but only 1 or 2 can add be here. Then we have the weekly. For this we need the weekly template. We have the new weekly one. I'm sure it's probably, I did a mark it 32,580. It's marked over here, so this is okay. And those of them, all of them, they are not touched, they are far away, so no change here. We have the monthly levels. I explained how to map monthly levels as well in this video for daily and weekly, so there is nothing new here. And then we have the monthly point of control. I doubt there will be change, but you will be looking for monthly over here, the monthly template. And we have really, yes, this is gonna be strong one. It's already 825. You want it precise. Okay, this is mapped, and the last category over here is range value areas. Let's check it. So first we need I will mark it only when we are in range. First we need the biggest range we can get, so it's over here. Those values are, developing, so we need to see. 32,433, 32,433, value area high. $38,120. 38,120 updated. This one is very old range from January. I will pull it here. You can write Jan val. Okay, then you can have you can see this is uptrend, of course. This is uptrend, like we're going up, but also we have this range over here. This is range we have right now. It's past 2 weeks, so I will find range values in this range as well. Very useful for more immediate trading. And value area low is at 32,001. Just 10. And value area high 35. $35,230. Okay, $35,230. This is more most immediate range. And they already have the point of control over here, and it's stopping us. Okay. And if you want really the smallest range, you can even play it like here from 29th of June to here. This is too small range, but it's good for point of control because it's over here, a lot of volume here, so when you go up it's nice. So range values, they are placed there, and the last thing we need to do is check if we have 80% rule active or not, and we can have a look in the ISO charts. I made video about it, so you should understand how to do it. And actually today, as the open is above previous day value area high, it means it's not valid, but it's inactive. So today it can happen. We can change color to yeah. So this is how I make my trading plan. It's not hard. A lot of levels are not changing, but you just have to give it half an hour at least if you want to find good levels, yeah, and update them, most of them from ExoCharts. So I hope it was clear, and I wish you really good trading. Okay, so see you in the group, guys. Bye bye.